Hello everyone. Today I'll show you how to play Craftsman in multiplayer. To do this, we need to go to settings and log into an account on both devices, yeah? And then log in and create an account for yourself. See, I've got 2 accounts here. There. And then we'll need to add a friend from your friends list who you want to play with, and make sure to connect to the same Wi-Fi. Now click play. Here's an ad. Click OK. Click friends, add friend, and enter the gamer tag here. So, after you've added friends, create a world. Click create. Make sure to connect, I repeat, to the same Wi-Fi. And now the world's loading here, and the world appeared on the second device. Just click on it, yeah, friends, and then connect. There, and now you can start playing. If online play isn't working, make sure that first, you're in each other's friends list, second, you're connected to the same network, the same Wi-Fi, and that you have the latest version of the game. To update the game version, well, yeah, see, you can play. There I am. There you go, now you can play. That's it, that's everything. To update the game itself, yeah, you can just go to the Play Market, Play Store, and go to the game page. And there'll be an update button, that's all. Thanks for watching.